Still cramming keywords? Dumping 50 tags? That might have worked in 2015. Now it's wrecking your growth. Let's kill the outdated SEO myths hurting your channel and show what actually works. Myth 1. Keyword stuffing helps rankings. Nope, YouTube ranks based on engagement, not keyword spam. Write titles and descriptions for people, not bots. Myth 2. More tags is equal to more views. Wrong. Too many tags confuse the algorithm. Use a few relevant ones that match your content. Myth 3. Longer videos rank higher, not if no one watches them. Retention beats runtime. Keep viewers watching, no matter the length. Myth 4. Clickbait works. It might get clicks, but it kills trust. Misleading titles is equal to low retention. Be real, be clear. Myth 5. Post more, grow faster. Posting daily doesn't matter if your content's weak. One great video beats 5 forgettable ones. Forget the old hacks. Focus on content that connects, keeps people watching, and earns trust. That's how you grow in 2025.